Alright guys, so this is the real deal. This is some practice as to what the class will look like and how you'll be expected to kind of turn things in. Okay, so first off, you'll be getting notes, of course, just like regular class to kind of fill out. We're going to run through how to actually create an account. If you do not already have an Edmodo account, I need you to go ahead and start this here. So you're going to go to edmodo.com. I highly recommend making this a favorite site of yours. Okay, you'll be using it a lot, so make it accessible for yourself, somewhere easy to go to. If you have not already registered on Edmodo, or you forget your username and password, select I am a student. Enter your real first and last name, no exceptions. Here is our group code for the class. So this is for CP Algebra 2A. All right, that's your group code. You'll enter that in and use your Google Drive username from school. That way it's easy to remember. Write it down here. You can provide your email. That's optional. Use your student email. And go ahead and use your Google password as well. You don't need to write it down in case someone finds that. But here's all your information, basically, for how to turn or how to access the website. So mainly we'll be using Edmodo. It's kind of like Facebook even in some of its ways. So I'll give you guys some time right now to set that up. In the meantime, if not, be sure to actually go to the website and log in now. Okay? Now, once you're in Edmodo, again, this is kind of like what the class is going to look like. So the notes are going to be gone through like this. All right, to access the videos, this is what you should see. Okay, you should see that you're a student. You should see your username, and it should look like this. Okay, here is all the information from my class, latest posts from Algebra 2A. Now, if you're in more than one class, it'll look a little different. Okay, you'll see a few things. You'll see turn in. You'll see a link here. And you'll see some other things, which we'll talk about. Okay, well first, you want to access the video. So you're going to click on the video link. Now, it's going to say something different because I don't have it made just yet at this moment. But it should say welcome video, which we've already watched, okay? That will open up in a new window. Okay, you're going to need to work on at home, okay? Are pop-ups allowed? Sometimes you may need to allow pop-ups. Okay, also check to see what video material you have, video software. But for this first week, we'll just be testing it out, making sure it all works. Okay, click on the video link. It should open in a new window. You should be able to view it and go through there. Now, whatever format's available to you, you can watch. And I'm also going to work on additional links on YouTube if none of that works at all. Okay? From there, after you view the video, so after watching, okay, to know that you watched the video, you need to turn in your essential question. Okay? In order to do that, you are going to click on, what do you think? Click on turn in. Okay, turn in. That's to turn in assignments. Okay? Simply put, all you need to do is type your response to the essential question. That'll either be written in the notes, written on notes, or provided in the post. Okay? Well, at the beginning of class, our essential question was, if we look back at the syllabus, what is a requirement of me in a flipped classroom? What is required of me in a flipped classroom? So, right now, you are going to type your response right there. So, what is required of me in a flipped classroom? Okay, afterwards, click turn in. Turn in. And then it should give you verification of that. Okay? Add comments if you'd like. Okay? Click here to add comments. Maybe you're like, hey, any particular areas you may struggle with. Little comments like that. That's fine. Other useful tools. Okay? I want you guys to be comfortable using it, kind of like Facebook. Okay? So you can, this is from the home page, you can certainly write me a note. Okay? Appropriate, of course. And here you can voice your concerns. Maybe you're like, I'm going to struggle in a certain area. Struggles. Okay, maybe you like or dislike something. Or maybe you just want to say hello. Okay? Okay, the better we feel about using this, the better a community, a learning community it can be. Other things you can do, you can invite your parents, you can have them create an account. Sorry. And I really do want this to be a cool place for us all to kind of bounce ideas off of each other. Ideally, and sorry I'm losing my voice, ideally it would be a place to ask or a place to communicate with your peers. Say you post a question on there, if someone else knows the answer, someone else can respond to it, okay? How do we do this? Well, I looked at it like this, in this way, okay? That is what this is going to hopefully become, okay? Now, during all times, and this is no joke, guys, okay? All appropriate communications must be considered. Same rules apply as to if you were using technology at school, okay? Otherwise, I will go through and I will make it so you can't respond to things, okay? Things can be done so that this is a mature environment, but overall, you guys are in high school now, okay? This is a time for you to be learning and learning how to not only deal with school, but to also be responsible in life, okay? Absolutely no toleration of misusing this technology, okay? Again, you're being asked to do these notes at home. You should be spending that amount of material on your homework anyway. Now it's all given to you and you're working in class. So be respectful of the process, be respectful of one another. And again, if you have any questions first few days, it's fine. We'll work through this. But awesome stuff, guys. Turn in that essential question, and we will get back to class. Thanks.